So with the Presa steak, the most important thing to know is that these pigs are so special, so delicious that in Spanish butchering, they're taking the extra time to sort of extract cuts that we don't typically see here in the US. So we hit it aggressively with salt and pepper on both sides in a quite hot pan, about 4 or 5 minutes on one side, and we're flipping it another 1 or 2. Halfway through the cooking, we added some red onion. Our finished dish is gonna have a sauce made with plum. Once it comes out of the pan, the onions come out together. They rest for a few minutes, and then just a nice streak of our plum sauce in the bottom, and slice the presa, a little bit of good salt over the top, and your onions. The finished dish is presa Iberico with red onion, plum, and oregano.